Kano Coding Kits let you get hands-on with computer code, literally. Each kit is paired with a free downloadable app that lets you complete cool coding challenges, all while showing you basic programming concepts. Although these challenges are fun and can help you understand coding better, you can improve your skills even more by digging deeper into the concepts. Here are 4 you have to know for Kano coding success and beyond. Number 1. The Cartesian Plane. What on earth is a Cartesian plane? Think of it as a fancy system for horizontal and vertical coordinates in 2 dimensions. Not helping? Okay, the Cartesian plane helps you determine where an object is on the canvas. The x-axis is horizontal and the y-axis is vertical. Move your hand around the sensor and see how the coordinates or values change depending on where it is on the canvas. Let's apply what we've learned about the Cartesian plane with the Kano Coding Kit. Here we have the Flurry of Snowflakes challenge from the Frozen 2 coding kit. You'll notice that by adding the Frozen Kit pointer x code line as the x value in this particle code block, you are able to create snowflakes on the x-axis. And when you add the Frozen Kit pointer y code line, it does the same thing, only vertically. Put them both together and now you can make frozen fractals all around. Pretty cool, huh? Sorry. Number 2, loops. Loops allow you to repeat code commands over and over again. In the Kano app, they're represented by these blue crocodile mouth looking blocks. Anything you want repeated, you put inside the block. Let's explore loops with this friendly porg. Now, you could just add many lines of code to add porgs one by one, but your code gets messy pretty quickly. That's where loops come in. The repeat until loop repeats the command until a certain defined condition is met. In this block, that condition is to repeat 10 times. Boom! Porg party! Another loop is the repeat forever loop, which is pretty self-explanatory. Guess there is such a thing as too many porgs. The repeat while loop repeats the command for as long as the condition is occurring. The Kano Coding Kit has a loop built especially for the ForceKit sensor that says repeat while present. Put your porg creation code inside the repeat while present loop, move your hand over the sensor, and see what happens. Aren't they cute? Number 3, logic. Coding logic is used to set specific conditions. A common conditional is an if-then statement. If this thing happens, then do this. Here's an example. We're in the bathroom, summoning chocolate frogs, as one does. I'm going to add a code block so that if the number of frogs reaches 5, a mountain troll will appear. He looks hungry. Number 4, variables. In the last example, you saw the number of chocolate frogs used as a conditional to summon a troll. In that example, I kept track of the number of frogs in the game by creating the variable frog number. Variables are a way of storing a number so you can use it later on in your code. They're invisible, so you don't really have a good idea if they're working or not unless something visual, like a troll appearing, happens in the code. In the example, I have it so every time I use the Accio wand motion, I summon a chocolate frog and set the frog number variable to +1. Did you know you can right-click on many of the coding terms within the Kano app? Just select Help and you'll be taken to a web page with more information on what each term is and how to use it in coding. Now that you know some serious coding skills, it's time to have some fun. Dive into the Kano coding apps and share your creations with the world. Thanks for watching and coding with us, the Camp Pendleton Library's CreateSpace. Follow us for more videos and demos on all things arts, crafts, and tech.